Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, I'm so happy you finally got to see kind of that whole progress of us getting our office space. And if you follow on Instagram, you've gotten to see like little sneak peeks of the office. And if you're new to my channel, this is your first time, you're like, what are you talking about? Make sure you subscribe. I have new videos every single week for you guys. But I realized like over the last month or so, as we've gotten into the office and like I made that so cute and so organized, I literally have let my house kind of just go. Like, haven't done anything. Our garage is terrifying. Every room is just like, I feel like a hoarder. Like, you know, like that show, isn't there a show that's like Extreme Hoarders or just Hoarders or something where people just have piles and piles of things everywhere? And it truly gives me anxiety. If you watched my routines or my videos for a while, you know, like I'm a very organized, clean person and it like helps me de-stress. So right now, like, well, I love that the office is so clean and organized and obviously I want that. Being home is making me like, ah. So I wanted to start organizing the house, and yesterday I started literally tearing apart all of the rooms. I got so overwhelmed and had to just stop because it's too much. Like taking on every space at one time is not gonna get me anywhere. I know that. And Ryan and I are going out of town next weekend for Valentine's Day, which is really fun, but then also got me stressing about shopping and wanting new outfits. But I set a rule for myself. Before I can pick out a new outfit or like buy my new outfit, I have to get at least my bedroom closet cleaned and organized. So as I was doing it, I thought it'd be fun to bring you guys in and kind of have you help me pick out what stuff to keep, what stuff to get rid of, because it's hard. Like I have a hard time with certain things. They're just like memories, or like I'm like, that's so cute and I've like worn it one time and I don't want to let it go, but I need to let it go. So hopefully you guys can help me. I'm going to be doing little like Instagram Q&A polls so that I don't have to make the decisions by myself. So even though I have like tried to put a hold on actually like purchasing my stuff, I decided to start doing some shopping so that as soon as I get rid of some of the things in here, I can press yes, complete order and have all my Valentine's outfits come for me. So the app's called Klarna and you can shop like Revolve and ASOS and H&M and all my favorite shops. So I'll show you guys what I'm shopping, what I'm picking out for my Valentine's outfit in just a bit. But first we gotta clean out this closet. We're gonna focus on my bedroom, but like I said, I have not one, not two, but 3 rooms that have my clothes in them. This is ridiculous. So I'm trying to like consolidate, and what's it like, spark joy in my life. So if it doesn't spark joy, it's gotta go. And just like be a little bit more minimalist. Like I'm never gonna be like a full minimalist style, but I do wanna like simplify my wardrobe and my closet. So I'm gonna show you guys what we're working with and then we'll head into my room. Now that we actually have an office, I have all these rooms to like just make whatever I want to make. They don't have to be for desks and chairs and all this stuff, but this is what this one looks like right now. Holy moly. You guys, I'm disappointed in myself. Okay, so this room is like everything. It's my self-care cart. I have like all these clothes are ones that brands have sent me to wear, which is like obviously really great, but I just gotta figure out when to wear them. This is like a bunch of new athleisure and fitness gear. Over here is stuff that I'm getting rid of. So I think like that's how I'm gonna kind of approach my closet clean out, is keeping, like donating, and possibly like selling / giving to friends. Seeing like, because there's, you know, there's certain stuff that you know people are gonna want, and then there's stuff that like no one wants because it's just like outdated. But this is my like, maybe I'll sell it or something, or my friends can come shop my closet. And then this is stuff I need to like wear at some point. But then there's another room. So in my workout room, which is so exciting to have a workout room, look. Oh wait, there's more clothes everywhere. Ah. So this also was an office. Now it is where Ryan and I can get our sweat on at home and do the LSF app workouts. But it's also where I store like all of my fitness gear. So check it out. Got leggings and everything down here. Those are like single leggings. These are sets. I like hanging everything so I can see it nice and clearly. Just like tees, all the shoes. So besides having to put like that stuff away, this room is actually pretty organized. But I know there's a lot of stuff I still need to get rid of. But again, I'm gonna stop. Like this is what I started yesterday, and I'm gonna focus on my bedroom. All right, so this is my room. For those of you who have not seen it yet, it's small, but it works. My cute, like these are my Target pillows that I'm obsessed with. They're so nice. So we're gonna start with my closet and my closet only, and my dressers, I guess, in here. And it's just hard because there's so many cute things that you wanna keep forever, but you know you're never gonna wear them. So why? Like set them free, let someone else enjoy them. Let's see what we're working with. All right, so again, organized, but it's like organized chaos. There's a lot of stuff that needs to go, and I just don't wear it enough. All my like shirts are over here, like tops and bodysuits, little like crop situations, mess pile of shoes, and then there's the bikini drawer. It's a little scary. Like, you know that it's a problem because when you start opening, you open multiple drawers. That's not good. Things are shoved in way too tight. Like, I should be able to slide one drawer open by itself. I have pajama drawers. I have 3 drawers of underwear, bras, lingerie, undergarments, that stuff. That's too much. Like, I don't need all that. I gotta clean it out and give myself some more space. It's happening. You know that cute little white rack in my bathroom that you guys always ask me about? You're attached to it right now. Cleaning is serious business. Hair's going up. Messy bun, ready. Okay, so just like I said, I have to start with one room. I also feel like you have to start with one section. So I organize my clothes like dresses, skirts, like underwear, bikinis, t-shirts. And instead of like going like all over the place, I'm gonna start one section at a time. And since the first thing I've been thinking about is shopping on Klarna so that I can get my Valentine's outfits, I think I'm gonna start with like dresses. So I'm gonna go get my phone so you guys can help me. Instagram, you guys are helping me figure out what to keep, what to get rid of. All Ryan has told me about our Valentine's plans is that I need like a cute day outfit and a nicer nighttime outfit. And I like still haven't gone through my shirts in my closet that maybe I have something in there for a day, but I figured might as well throw some stuff in my basket. And I love the Klarna app because it just makes like all the shopping so much easier because I can do it in one spot instead of having to go to this shop and order and this other one and order. Like, I can do it all in one place, save stuff to different like ideas baskets, which is really nice for me because I don't always want to buy everything right at one time. So I have these little wish lists and currently I made one that's just like cuteness. So this is like pajamas that I don't need because once you see that drawer, you'll understand. But then my Valentine's Day dresses wish list right here where I threw in a couple shirts too. So like I said on Klarna, you can actually like inside the app go shop like Revolve and ASOS, and those are some of my favorite places to shop. And they have so many other stores. But the cool thing is like, okay, you know when you have a big event you want to go to, or like say it's your birthday or some Valentine's, whatever, and there's a dress like you really want, and you know that you can afford it, but you don't necessarily want to spend all like $100 or whatever at one time. Klarna makes it so you can do it in 4 easy payments. The first one when it first ships, and then the other 3 like every 2 weeks after that, so you can break it up. There's not any fees or anything, so it just makes it easier on your wallet and your bank account, which is really nice. So in here I have this dress. I felt like I need to check with Ryan if it's like too extra, but it's like silky red. This one's from Fashion Nova. You guys can comment, tell me your thoughts on this too. This one I feel like is a little more elegant. Like, can you guys see that? With just that white, really pretty from Revolve. And I just love it, again, because they're all in one spot, so I don't have to go back and be like, oh, let me go look at my Revolve cart and see what I have there, and then I'll go to this other cart and see what I have there. Like, it's all in one spot. And for someone who hates shopping, this makes it so easy. Oh, this one's really sweet. Okay, I just think this dress is so beautiful. It's from Revolve. It's a little bit more classy again, like, so less like red, silky, sexy, and more just like, look how sweet and lovely I am as your Valentine's date. Fall in love with me again. So I don't know, I can't decide which one to get. And then I just loved this top so much. Look at the back, you guys. That is so freaking beautiful. And then the front has this detail as well that's like kind of like floral pretty. So I'm thinking I might do that for my day outfit with jeans and a heel, and then one of those dresses, but I'm not sure which one yet. And it's cool because even if you're just like not on the app, you can still use Klarna to pay and check out at a lot of these stores, which is really nice. But the app just makes it so much easier, like most apps. So I'll put the link down below if you guys want to check it out, and hopefully I will make a decision on which one of those dresses will be my Valentine's Day dress. And you guys will see that on Instagram, I'm sure. This one is so tough because it's one of those things you're like, you're so pretty, you have so many memories, and I loved it so much. I wore it for a New Year's Eve, but also like, am I ever going to wear it again? No. Probably not. And to be honest, it didn't really fit that great because of my boobs, so I had to wear a bandeau thing with it anyway. So like, why am I keeping it? Just because it's beautiful, but like also, I don't know if I can need your guys' help for this one for sure. Ask the gram. All right, so we're gonna put this in a maybe pile. Slash, I'll just hang it right there for now. Okay, this skirt is actually really cute. It's like super comfy, like stretchy, whatever. And I'm always like, oh, it'd be so cute to wear with shorts and some tennis shoes. But I've not worn it in like 3 years I've had it, except for one time. So rule is, if you haven't worn it in a year or like since last season, and I can't picture myself like, oh yeah, I'm gonna wear it tomorrow, ditch it. Do you guys have this problem where you buy something and you're like, I'm gonna wear it, and it's so cute, and you save it and it has tags on it still, and you're like, no, it's super cute, I'm gonna wear it at some point. A year later, haven't worn it. And like, I could wear it for Valentine's Day, but I feel like there's a reason I haven't worn it in a year, and I'm not gonna wear it just because it's red if it's like not actually something I want. And I don't know exactly what happened, so like have to try it on, I guess, at some point. So I'll put this with the black one just to like try on, reevaluate, am I actually gonna keep it? I'm making progress. I mean, that's a decent sized pile, but I am really having such a hard time, I think, because I don't really wear, I don't have like a lot of opportunities to wear normal clothes, real clothes, but I have to like rip the Band-Aid, rip it, because if I don't, and then I complain about not having stuff to wear, Ryan's gonna be like, Katie, you have an entire closet of things to wear. And I'll be like, but I don't like any of them. So I need to like rip the Band-Aid so that I can go shopping, order some new stuff that I actually will wear, and not feel like I'm just like hoarding and shoving more stuff into my closet. Another problem I have when I'm shopping is I find something I do really like, and then I buy it in multiple colors, and then I feel like silly wearing them all the time because I have them in multiple colors. So like this jumper, so cute, with a little bandeau in red, also in pink. I always buy new outfits for like special occasions, and I understand I'm like totally lucky I can do that. But like when I like have like a birthday or something, I'm like, I want a new outfit, even though I really think it's pretty and love it. So if I'm not gonna wear it again, get rid of it. Like exhibit, so cute, but am I gonna wear it again? Probably not, get rid of it. Okay, this is a dress Ryan bought for me. It has like rouging down the entire thing. Can you guys see that? It actually is like not bad on, it's cute. I don't know, like both of these dresses, same brand, and I've been like, unsure about them. So we'll ask the gram about that one. I feel like it's gonna be a no. All right, so haven't worn in a year of having it. I put as the like keep it one, Vegas baby, and the other one, nope. I narrowed down the dress skirt situation. I feel so good right now. There are 12 pieces here that I'm going to try to sell. And then there's 16 over here that are just Goodwill, good riddance, bye-bye, see you later. And then there are these 3 dresses that I asked you guys on Instagram which ones I should keep, which ones just need to go. The one that I have never worn, this black one, the red one I've never worn, and then my beautiful New Year's Eve dress. So let's see. I want to keep them all, but this is why I asked you guys. Ooh, New Year's Eve. Whoa. 72% of you say, bye, bee. I guess it's time. Oh, snap. You guys hate that black dress, too. 81% said, nope, so it's got to go. This is good. This is what I need. They're going. Bye time. Oh, my gosh, you guys. Ooh, this was my, oh, it's backwards. This was my 30th birthday dress. It is my favorite. It's so pretty. This is one where, like, granted, I haven't worn it in, like, a year. It's like a wedding dress. I don't know why, like I fell in love with this thing. It has like the bodysuit under it. So beautiful. It was not cheap. And I do really believe I will wear it again, like to something. I don't know what exactly, like brunch, like a nice fancy brunch, but I really, really, really will wear it. And I promise you, if I don't wear it within this next year, then fine, I'll get rid of it. It honestly feels so good even just to have one part of the closet cleaned, like just the dresses and skirts, I already feel lighter, and having you guys help makes it so much easier because then I don't feel responsible for the decisions of having to get rid of it. I'm like, sorry, pretty dress. It wasn't me. It's not you, it's me. It's not me, it's you. I don't know, you know what I mean. I probably own 75 bikinis, and I've sold some, I've gotten rid of some, I've given a ton to friends, and like I showed you guys, this drawer is packed and loaded. And to be honest, like, I can't wear that many bikinis all the time, even though I wear them, but then I want new ones and cute ones and different ones. And so anyway, we're gonna dig in. I'm gonna try to be super critical. So I'm sorting ones that I for sure want to keep and just getting them out so I can refold them and put them in nicely so I actually can like know what I have in here. So guys, I honestly have some that I have only worn to take a photo in and then I had to change and I didn't get to actually wear them like to enjoy. But I feel like that's kind of my life now. Or I like will take a photo in a bunch and then I'll choose one to wear that day, but I still end up not actually wearing so many of them. And I think having been overweight for so long and not feeling confident and comfortable in a bikini, like I have an attachment to them where I'm like, oh, I finally like feel good in them and I don't want to get rid of them because I have these great memories. But like, it's just a piece of material and I really just need to say like, goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Okay, exhibit A. This thing is like ruined with self-tanner. It's so cute, but it's ruined. So like, why am I keeping it? I tried to get the self-tanner out. It doesn't come out.
Someone was before you, and someone let me go, but I just need to be sure. Some say love's not for the bitter ones. Some say love.
We did a count. So I now have definitely getting rid of, maybes I have to decide about, and ones I'm keeping. There are 22 I'm getting rid of, and that's some 1 pieces and 2 pieces, but like 22 like full set bikinis. There's 17 maybes, and there's still 42 that I'm keeping. Ah! But I mean, this is progress, right? You can't do it all in one day. Rome wasn't built in a day. Katie didn't get rid of all her bikinis in a day. But we're making progress, one room at a time, one section at a time. It's gonna happen. I really have always felt like the deciding what to get rid of or not was the worst part, but right now just living in a pile of clothes trying to decide which ones I just Goodwill, which ones I give to friends, all of that is just like exhausting. But anyway, so I'll just be here for the rest of the night. Hopefully you guys like this giant closet clean out haul situation. I'll put all the links for everything down below. Make sure you're following along on Instagram at Love Sweat Fitness, because maybe I'll put some of these clothes up there for you guys. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below and tell me if you want more videos like this, kind of just like seeing what's happening at my house, at my life, all this like kind of not fun but totally normal stuff that just has to go on all the time. And make sure you subscribe right there. Click that red button and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.